I get LLM means large language model. But what's with this new thing, SLM?
LLMs are the big ones like ChatGPT. They do everything, write code, stories, solve problems, but they need serious computing power.
Right, like cloud servers and GPUs.
Exactly. Now, SLMs, small language models, are the lightweight versions, faster, cheaper, and can even run on your laptop or phone.
Nice. But what can they actually do?
Plenty, like on-device grammar correction, personal voice assistants, email summarizers, even simple customer support bots.
So SLMs are like mini LLMs.
Yup, less powerful, but perfect for simpler tasks and offline use.
So LLM is the big brain in the cloud. SLM is the clever assistant in my pocket.
Yep, think of LLM as the professor in a university and SLM as your smart assistant who travels with you.
So LLM is big brain in the cloud. SLM is pocket genius for everyday stuff.
Exactly. Both useful, just in different ways.
Did you study something new today? If so, please do subscribe and like.